Today we will be doing a tutorial on how to log in with your username and password to edit your web page. First, we are going to go to the top where it says user options. Press this link and hit sign in. You will see a sign in place for your username and your password. Your username is your first letter of your first name and your last name that you use to sign into your email. For me, it is K McCray without the @marion.k12.sc.us. After you put your username, you will put your password. If this is your first time logging in, please put change me as your password. Change me. If this is not your first time logging in and you have forgotten your password, please hit forgot my password and you will be emailed instructions on how to log in. After you hit sign in, you will go to the corner of your screen on the right hand side and select your school. Once you select your school, you will go to academics, grade levels, click on your name, and here you will be able to edit your page and drag and drop different apps as you deem necessary. If you have any more questions about how to design your web page, please contact me at kmccray@marion.k12.sc.us. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful to you. Have a great day.